Hey guys, today we are taking the first look at the HugoAI camera. This was one that they did send out to me for free, but this is my own opinion. Links to it will be down in the description so you can check it out yourself. But let's just go ahead and see what it has to offer. So the box is pretty plain, doesn't really say anything about it. You have HugoAI and then a QR code for something. So it looks like we've got a quick operations guide, got the camera itself, got a wall wart, a USB cable, standard A on one side, micro on the other side. We've got 2 screws and then a SIM card eject tool. Wonder what that's for. So got it in the box. See what the manual has to say. So it's got lens, LDR, a light, a TFT card slot or a micro SD card slot. It's got a speaker, VSPET, USB. The base is magnetic. So status, flashing blue means ready for Wi-Fi. Steady blue means the camera is connected properly. Fix the iron plate to the wall, so there must be a plate with the camera. You can download the app from Google Play or the App Store. So look for the HugoAI app and instructions on how to connect it. Probably just more connection stuff that you can live view, two-way talk, record, and then reset instructions. So it does have phone and email support, and it is a US-based number, so it's nice. Maybe we'll call them and see what they have to say. Go ahead and look at the camera itself here. Here's that metal plate that they were talking about. So it's got 2 holes so that you can screw that in. That's not nice, especially compared to like the ones that you get in the Wise Cam. They don't have holes in theirs, they just use adhesive. So another option. It would be nice if the Wise had the adhesive as well as the holes. So the base itself, magnetic, pretty strong magnet. Swivels every direction. Like the manual said, this is a speaker. We've got a reset button, the USB micro. This is the micro SD slot. So I'm not sure why it includes the SIM ejection tool. Doesn't seem like we need it. So let's go ahead, let's get this plugged in and get another device so that we can see about getting the app installed. So we've got a solid blue light, and per the manual, solid blue.
Welcome to use our products. Please wait a moment.
Right. Well, per the manual, steady blue means camera is connected.
Camera ready. Please send the Wi-Fi information.
Now it's flashing. So here on this other device, we searched Hugo. We got the HugoCam here. I assume that's the right thing because it does look like a camera. Oh, there's the camera. So yes, it's this HugoCam. Let's get it installed. So it wants to access the microphone for the two-way audio. I would like to send you notifications. So you can add family members. So it says it's got facial recognition. I guess that's what it means. So you need to create an account. So we'll click register. Looks like it wants a phone number, and that's going to send you a verification code. So that's a little different than most, but it does look like right here. So you can see it here. It wants a phone number, and it'll send you a verification code, or you can switch to email. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll get that entered and then show you what it says. So you enter in your email address, and then I'm assuming you hit this obtain code for it to send you an email with the code. So yep, we sent the verification code to your mailbox. So I just got another email, so I'll enter that in. So I've got the email and the code put in. Now it wants us to create a password. So we got the password put in. Finish. Registration success. Now we gotta enter in and log in. All right, so we are now in. No devices. Click to reload. We've got the cameras, or my devices and me, and then a plus button here in the top right. Let's go ahead and click that. We want to add a smart camera.
Please check your camera for a blinking blue light.
Yep, it's blinking. Blue light blinking.
Please turn up the mobile phone speaker volume.
I heard the announcement. So now it's saying to enter the Wi-Fi credentials. So I've got that entered in here. It doesn't support 5 gigahertz band, which is typical. So now that we've got it in there, click done, click connect. So click send sound, wave button, let the camera connect to Wi-Fi.
Receive Wi-Fi information successfully.
Yes, it told me it received it.
The device has been connected to the internet.
That should be solid green, which it is. And we now have the camera here. Let's push play. The Wi-Fi signal received by the camera is relatively weak. Please keep the device as close as possible to the router. So there we have it. We can just see how many layers deep we can go. So it looks like we got our sound button, our record button, our mic button, a picture button, and an HD button. So we've got HD and Fluent, which is typically used when you're off network. We've got, looks like this is going to be up here on the top. We've got our night mode feature that's set to auto. When I click it, it doesn't do anything. It says my Wi-Fi strength is 70%. Oh. So I've got automatic open and close. Let's see what close does. Didn't change. Open. So it says off. So it is for the infrared LEDs. So we can see that it's changed to be night mode. Let's see if we can turn it back to auto here. So we set it back to automatic. Hopefully those will turn off. Yep, there we go. So it should go back to color. Yep. So, and then we've got the SD card here at the bottom, which we don't have one installed. Let's see what settings we can do. So we can name the device. We can do a dynamic reminder, which I'm not sure what that does. It looks like you can turn on facial recognition, motion detection, and how often you want that to be. Whether you want it all the time, just at night, just during the day. We can configure our time zone, our language. Looks like there's only English. Time zone, plus or minus. We've got, so we can change whether it's up to down or right side up. So you can do it kind of similar to other cameras where it's you hold the button to talk, or it's more like a phone, so that's kind of nice. Got a volume. You can turn the indicator light on or off. So we got the green or the red light, or blue light. Let's turn it off. Oh, it turned off instantly. And then we've got the Wi-Fi signal hints that we can turn off. We got the device information, which tells you the network. I'm surprised it doesn't have the IP address and stuff. Signal strength. No card. We got the storage configuration that says no card. Let's see. So they do have a firmware update. Modifies the startup functionality, so they're doing some updates. And disbind the device. I assume that means to remove it. See, we can share it, so we can invite our family and friends to watch it. We can do automatic capture. The last picture will be taken as the cover. Oh, so that just changes what that is. So it said it does have this facial recognition stuff, but I don't see where you can set those. So let's So that's so you can add by QR code. So I guess there's a QR code there on the bottom. go to me, member of family. So this must be the facial recognition. You have not added your family information. Click add. After the addition of family, the camera will open the facial recognition. So a photo, side photo, 45 photo. So it wants a bunch of different photos. So it wants 5 pictures from different angles for each person. So while I think in theory that's a good idea, I don't think people would really do that. I don't think people would go ask their family to take a bunch of pictures of them. They've got some value-added services. Let's see what shows up here. So you can do some online storage. Let's see how much they cost. So for 7 days, if you pay monthly, it's $4 a month. If you pay annually, it's $40 a year. Or 30 days is $7 a month or $80 a year. If you want to add more facial recognition, so it must only come with so many. Got general settings, how much cache, and to turn on and off push notifications. Looks like we can send them feedback right from the app. And then about HugoAI. So overall, as far as like facial recognition, I think it's kind of gimmicky. As far as being just a nice little inexpensive camera that can be placed different directions, that's relatively small, it's not bad. It was easy to set up. I would say as far as ease of setup, it was easier than the Wisecam, just because the Wisecams, I've had difficulty connecting them to the Wi-Fi. This one connected right up. It seems like you can have a bunch in here that you can add to have as many as you want. You can, in the settings, you can rename it so you can give it its location instead of just saying the HugoAI smart camera. So that's probably where the AI comes in, the artificial intelligence. Overall, is it worth getting? I'd say it's a good contender for an inexpensive camera, as far as maybe being used in the home or for like a baby monitor or something like that. So definitely think it's an okay purchase. Nothing out of the ordinary seems to pop up on it that makes me question it. So like I said, I'll leave some links down in the description so you can check it out yourself. They did provide this camera to me, but they are not paying me or changing whatever I have said or feel about it. If you do have questions specifically about it, please let me know. I'll do my best to answer those. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and let me know what camera you want me to look at next.